Okay, hello. We are doing the,
Hello.
yeah, hi, National Geographic Learning, Reading Explorer 4, Unit 10A. Open your book to page 170 and 171. Okay, so this unit, what is the topic? Let's see. Okay, healthy living. This unit is about healthy living. What is it? 10A is living longer. Okay, here. So, okay, as usual, circle around the title. What is it about? Living longer. And what is it? So the researchers and they try to find the reasons, why some people live longer. All right. And this one and the title. And always think about the what main idea. So you know that in this passage, that we will find it out. Why some people live longer. And here, let's read. And here go. A. When it comes to longer lifespans, good genes play a more important role than diet and exercise. Okay, this is the first sentence of this passage. So you can get the big clue or big question for the main idea. What is that? What is it about? And longer lifespans plus what is it about? Genes here. And here again, what about lifespan? What is a lifespan? Lifespan,
Lifespan.
uh-huh.
The time that you can live.
Good. Length, how long? Length of what? Life. Okay. So what is the main idea? What is that? And genes could play more important role than diet and exercise. Let's find it out. Okay, what does it mean diet here?
Diet.
Diet, yeah.
Like doing activities for your health.
Good try, Jefferson. Thank you for your trying. Always you tried and then you can learn more and better. Diet
Okay.
actually has, so we have a two, usually we say we go on a diet. It means we
Yeah.
control, what is it, eating some food, right? But
Yeah.
another meaning for diet is, what is the diet? It means, what is it? The food, main food. Main
Mm.
foods, and it means like eating habits. Okay, what is what the diet, the main diet of Korean people in Korea? What is the main diet? So we
Uh,
usually eat what?
chicken. That.
Yeah, could be, but actually our, the diet, main diet of what is it? Korean people is like a rice and kimchi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, main food. And here, so that is a diet. And plus exercise. And then, the three things I mentioned. One is a genes, and the other one, another one is a diet, and one more exercise. But in this passage, what is it? It is more about genes. All right.
Okay.
Scientists, researchers have begun looking at the genes of small, isolated communities to better understand the illness of old age and how they might be avoided. All right. And scientists, the researchers, looking at the genes. Okay, here, what are they? What are they studying? Genes. Okay, of small and isolated communities. Small communities and are isolated. What does it mean isolated here?
Alone.
Uh-huh. Isolated means what is separated from others.
Yeah.
Okay, communities. You know communities is so easy. What is it? It means groups of what? People.
People.
Uh-huh. Yeah, groups of what is it? People.
People.
Okay. To better understand. Why do you want to understand? Find out and the illnesses of old age and how they might be. What is it? The illnesses might be avoided. Okay, what does it mean avoided here?
Or not allowed.
Okay, avoided means what is it? Prevented. Good. So what kind of illnesses? Okay, let's think. What kind of illnesses? Diabetes, high blood pressure. All right. And old people, they have what is it, cholesterol and diabetes. Okay, blood pressure. And in Italy, Ecuador, and United States, three countries, Italy, Ecuador, and United States, studies. Okay, here go. Three countries, Italy, Ecuador, and the US. Studies are revealing information. What does it mean revealing here?
Making like to show, uncover.
Okay, very good. The studies show, what is it? Are showing information related to genes that may one day help everyone reach their old age in what? Good health. You know, they want to, what is avoid from the some illnesses of old age. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, what is revealing means? What does it mean revealing? Showing,
Uncover.
showing, yeah,
Oh, I think uncover will also work.
yeah. And showing what? Information related to genes again. Genes, genes, genes. Okay, may one day help everyone reach their old age in good health. It's the good health. So what is this paragraph about? Rio, I sent the file to you.
Thank you.
A1 workbook and see, and then you can answer. All right, we
Okay.
are we are doing unit 10A, passage A. So this first paragraph is about what? So what is this paragraph mostly about? I circled. What? And genes here. So studying what? This paragraph is telling us about studying what? Studying what? Genes. Studying genes and what? Studying genes and what? Title. Think about the title. What is that? Long, long life. Okay? Longer life, what? Spans. Okay, here. Long life, longer life means what is a long life? So this paragraph is introducing the what? Main topic and main idea. What is that? Studying genes and long life. All right. And scientists they study what is some communities. Which one? In Italy and Ecuador and the United States. All right. And here, boom. And taste for life. Okay, taste for life. Taste. And here, on a cool January morning in 2013. Okay, Giuseppe Passarino. Passarino. Okay, so we can tell that Giuseppe and Passario drove on a mountain road. Drove on a mountain road through orange trees in Calabria in where? In the far south of Italy. First, what country? Italy. And who? Okay, 5 W's and 1 H. And then who? Passerio.
Yeah.
Okay, here, who? Passerio. Giuseppe Passerio. And when? 2013. And where? Italy. And he's a scientist at the University of Calabria. Calabria. And Calabria is in Italy. Okay, was going to a small village. What is a village here? We did it.
Nitty.
Yeah, community. So you have some community somewhere up there. So you can draw a line to the community. I don't have it on my screen. Of okay, Molochio. Oh, what is it? What kind of a town is it? A remote town. What does it mean, remote? Remote means, okay, here, far south. Remote means, what is it? Far. South, town. What is a town? Community. We do four centenarians. We do four centenarians and 499-year-olds among its, what is it, 2,000 inhabitants. You know the small town. What is the small town's name?
A
What is the
small
small
town.
name? Calabria. Okay, so this small town, what is has what? Four centenarians and 499-year-olds. Okay, here, what is a centenarians? Four centenarians. What is a cent? Cent means it's related 100 centimeters. Century. Centenarians means who are the centenarians? It means what is it? People 100 years or older. Okay? So, eons means people. 100 years 100 years or older. And also for 99-year-olds means they are almost what? Centenarians. Among 2,000 inhabitants. Well, who are the inhabitants? Inhabitants means what is it? People live there. It means residents. People live in that small town. What is the small town's name? Calabria. Okay. So
Okay.
who went to the Carab area? Passerino. Okay, why? Why do you think he went there? To study. To study what is it? People who live almost more than what is 100 years. Got it?
Got it.
All right. And to study. And genes and what is it? Longer lifespans. All right. And this paragraph, what is this paragraph about? We already talked about it. What is it? It's a what? Small what? Small town with what? What is this small town? What is special? Okay,
Yeah.
small town with what? Long what? Long what? Lives.
Long
Okay, long lives. Okay.
lives. Long lives.
So what is the town's name? What is it? Calabria, or what is this? This a name of the village of what is it? Canaveria. The village's name is what is it? Molochio.
Molocchio.
Yeah, Molochio. Okay, so you need to better focus on the what? Long lives, longer what? Longer lifespans. Okay, let's move to the paragraph C. Soon after he found, who is he? Pesarino. Found 160-year-old. So what is a 160-year-old? He is, what is he? He is one of the, what is a centenarian? All right, centenarian. And in his, in his home. And Caruso is, how old is he? 106 years old. Told the researcher, what is a researcher? Scientist. Who is the scientist? Pesserio. That he was in good health. You know what? Good health. And his memory seemed what? Excellent. It means he's healthy. He recalled the death of his father. What does it mean recalled? Re means again. Okay, Rio, what does it mean recalled? He recalled the death of his father in 1913. It means how many?
Recall?
100 years ago. Now it is 2013. So it means 100 years ago. Wow.
Oh,
His father, what is it, died. How many years ago? 100 years ago. But he still, what is it? Remember. So what does it mean recalls? Re means again. What does it mean recall?
Recall again?
It means remember. Call again. Call what? Call the memories again. It means recalled means write it. Remembered the death of his father. It means what? He has a good what? Memory, right? So it means he's healthy. And do you know dementia? It means their brain is getting old and they are losing their memories. It's a dementia, 치매. All right. And here, so when what is it? Salvatore was a schoolboy. Salvatore Caruso is a schoolboy. How his mother and brother had nearly died during the Great Flu. You know the flu. What is the flu? Great flu. It means like a influenza epidemic. What is epidemic? Epidemic is, what is epidemic?
It's like learning.
Outbreak. Outbreak of disease. Outbreak of disease. We have a kind of a pandemic. What was the pandemic that we went through recently?
Virus.
COVID.
influenza.
You know, COVID. It was like
Yeah.
a epidemic. You understand? But
Yeah.
you know, they had a great flu epidemic. When? When? In what is 1918 and 1919. So what was a great flu epidemic? And how he'd been dismissed from the army. What does mean dismissed? Means, what is that?
Got
It means,
out.
yeah, got out. Excellent. It means what is a kind of removed from the army in 1925 after accidentally falling and breaking his leg into places. So he got removed, he got out from his army. Why? He had an accident. What was the accident? He fell and he broke his leg into places. So what is accidentally means? What is it? By mistake.
Yeah. By mistake.
Rio, Gia, try to answer me. You turn off what is the camera? I don't know what you are doing. At least you can answer me like a Jefferson. And when asked about the reasons for his long life, what is the passage about? Long life.
Life.
How old is he? He is 116. 106. Okay, so he is a what is centenarian? Centenarian is a person who lives more than 100 what? Years.
100 years.
Yeah. 100, what is it? Years.
Ears.
Okay. These days people live a lot longer than before. Cent again. Cent means 100. And smiled and said in Italian, no drinking, no smoking, no women. Said more, that he'd eat mostly figs. Do you know what figs are?
Thieves.
Figs. Figs and beans. What are the figs? Means what is a type of fruit? Okay. So it is what is we say okay. So I don't know in Japanese, but it is a sweet fruit and then figs. While growing up and hardly. What does it mean hardly?
It's hard, difficult.
Rarely, yeah, rarely. It means what is it? Almost not. So it means he did not eat what is red meat that much. Instead, what did he eat? Figs and beans. So this is his, what is it called? Everybody, diet. Do you remember?
Yeah,
Diet,
diet.
the main food. And Passerio is a scientist, heard much the same from 103. Another, what is it? Another centenarian. Old, what is it? Domenico Romeo, who described it. So he described his diet here as a little bit, but of everything. Okay? So what is that? As a little bit, but of everything. So now this paragraph, what is this paragraph tell us about? The main idea, heading, what is going to be? What is that? So you know that who the scientists met what is a two centenarian? Who are they? One is who? On 106-year-old Salvatore, what is it? Caruso. And another person is what is it? What is it? He is 103-year-old. Okay? So this one, the scientist met two who? Centenarian. So what is this one about? Meaning, okay, what is going to be the what title? Meeting. Meeting what? Meeting the who? Centenarians. Okay. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Meeting the centenarians. In where? The city? What is a small village in Morocco? Okay.
Okay.
And here, go. I'm going to erase it all. Try to write as much as you can. And Rio, when you
Yes.
come to where? Korea in July, you know that you should bring your book, definitely. You
Okay.
should come with your book, and then I will see if you wrote down the things. All right? And here we go. Boom. And you're going to do what is a review, and then I'm going to help you to do more things. What is it? And also vocabulary. And Gia, yesterday you came, and then you stayed quite long. What is it, late? And then you learned that we need to work on what? More vocabulary, and then you can understand the passage better. All right?
Yeah.
And okay, what about D? Passerino is working to understand the reasons. Okay, he was trying to find out the reasons. Why? Okay, here, what is it? The reasons. Okay, and then Calabrians live such long lives. Reasons for what? Long lives. Long lives. Okay, lifespans. Long lifespans, right? Lifespans. Long lifespans. In the dim, what does it mean dim here? Dim is, what is it? Dim, cool hallway outside his university. What does it mean dim here? It's very simple. Dim means not bright. Somewhat, what is it? Dark. Oh, shit, dark. It means dim. It means, dark is pretty dark, but instead of dark, you say not bright. Okay. Outside his university office stand several freezers. There are freezers. All right. And the freezers have what? Blood taken from elderly. Elderly what is it? Calabrians. What does elderly here means? Who are the elderly? Elderly, everybody. Who are the
Oh,
elderly?
brotherly?
It means older people. Okay? It means aged people. Okay, they are called, what is this related to which one? Centenarians. All right? And the DNA, again, gene. What is it about? DNA. From this blood has revealed. What does it mean revealed? We've done it.
To show, uncover.
Shown that people who live into their 90s and then beyond means, what is beyond? It means like more than 90s, means 100. May have such long lives again, long lives. Owing to, what does it mean owing to? Owing to a gene. Because of the, what is it, everybody? Gene. That affects their sense of what? Taste. It's interesting. What is it? Find out. What does it mean owing to? Owing to means, what is it? Due to. Means because of. Okay. Again, you know that he found out that what? People who live longer have what? Genes that affect their sense of taste. What kind of a taste then? What kind of a taste? Sense of taste. What kind of taste? Okay, here, genes affect. What is affected here? Influences. Affects means what is the cause changes? Influences their sense of taste. So their sense of taste is related to what? Genes and their longer lives. All right? This gene gives people a taste for bitter. Uh-huh. Bitter foods, they have a taste for what?
Eater food.
Yeah. What about you? Do you like to eat what is a sweet foods or bitter foods?
I like sweet.
You love sweets, but you know that personally, I don't like that kind of a sweet foods
Why?
much. Good, interesting. I think, I have the gene. What do you think? Okay, I think
Uh,
the
I
gene.
think when we get old, we like bitter things.
But when I was younger, I didn't like the sweet things. Interesting, right? I don't
Yeah.
know, somehow when I eat something sweet and then I do not feel good. It's very interesting. Yeah, sometimes I'm craving for something sweet, the chocolate or candy when I'm very, very tired, but mostly I don't like that kind of sweets that much. All right? And which is good. And the taste for bitter foods. Okay, what are some examples of the bitter foods? Broccoli and field greens. So what about you, Gia? And who? Rio, do you like broccoli and then the field greens?
No.
No.
No? Oh, okay. And here are greens, the vegetables that promote. Okay, vegetables that promote cellular health and acid digestion. Okay, what does it mean promote here? Promote means help and support. What is a cellular? It is related to what is a cell. Cellular means here. You can see the footnote. Cellular. What does it mean cellular? Rio, read it.
Yes. So cellular means relating to the cells of animals or plants.
Yeah, it is related to what is a cell? Cellular. Cellular health and acid what digestion. What is the acid? Oh, I'm sorry, not acid. Aid digestion. What is the aid here? Aid means help. Digestion. Digestion. It means, okay, we can just explain it. When we eat, that our food needs to be broken
Yeah.
down. So, the digestion is breaking down what?
Food.
Yeah. You know that I am a lot older than you, but you know that I think, I have, what is it, relatively kind of a good eating habits. I like to eat vegetables. And plus, I like to, that usually I eat very slowly. I chew a lot. So I think that I have no problem with my digestion. Okay. And here, think about it. So you'd better eat a lot of what? A lot of what?
Green food.
Yeah, vegetables. The research, the studies show that people who live, what is it, longer lives, they have what is it, kind of what is it, eating habits, their diet. What is that? And vegetables, right? And
Yeah.
it is related to what? Related to what? Everybody? Genes. Okay, DNA, genes. Your bitter taste. So, and they eat what? Vegetables. That's why they live what? Longer lives. Now you understand? The ideas are all what is connected this way. And
Yeah.
now, what is this paragraph about?
What about
So,
this
what is the
paragraph?
main idea, Jefferson?
Um,
So,
this
what are you?
paragraph is about gene,
Gene
gene
and
and
what? Is related what?
to gene and taste.
Excellent. Okay, here, this one, and genes and taste. And here, like this. Gene and taste, what? Connection. Okay. So the genes are taste connection. All right? Okay. Okay, let's move to the next page. Boom.
Wow.
All right, what is the next one? And size, what is it? Matters. Okay, what size? Size matters. What size? Okay, the quest. What is a quest? The quest means what is it? To understand. explain more about genetic influences on aging has brought scientific attention to people like Nicholas, what is it, Anasco, known as Pazarito. And who is a Pazarito? Little bird in, what is it, Spanish? Okay, so it is Spanish. The quest, what is a quest?
Mission.
Good. So it means, great. It means, what is it? Say search. Okay? They try to find it out. And to understand more about genetic influences, genetic is related to genes. So what is it about? Genetic influences. What are the influences? Means, what are they?
Um,
Effects. Okay? So
okay.
genes, what is the influence aging? All right, G is what is affect aging.
Influences aging.
Yeah, and aging has brought the scientific, what is it? Attention. What is attention here? It means, what is it? Focus. They focus on people like who? Nicholas. And he's a little bird in Spanish, known as, what is the Parcertio? Nicholas is 17. He is 17, said he became aware of the reason for his nickname at age 6. What is his nickname?
Uh,
What is his nickname here?
his nickname is uh,
What?
Pizarrito.
Good. Yeah, Pazarrito. Okay, yeah, Pazarrito is his, what is it? Nickname. Where is the nickname? This is
I
his.
think he likes pizza.
Oh, not really. At age 6, when he looked around at his classmates, I realized. What does me realize here?
To know.
Yeah, become aware of. It means what is get to know that he was going to be smaller than his classmates. So smaller. So that's why he got his nickname. What is that? Pazarrito. It
Yeah,
means
I think
little bird. Okay? So he is what? Small. And because of a single gene, single means what is it? Because of a one.
solo.
Yeah, one. Nicholas looked like an 8-year-old. It means he's very, very small and is 115 centimeters tall only. Can you believe it? He's a 17, but he is only 117 centimeters tall. Jefferson, do you know
Hmm?
your height?
I am 151.
Gia, I think you're growing so tall. And here, the gene causes what gene? One single gene causes a condition. What kind of a condition? Condition means, what is it? It means kind of a medical issue. Causes a what? Condition, medical issue called, what is it?
Condition.
Laron syndrome. It's so very interesting. You know what is this one about?
Uh,
Laron syndrome. Okay, the gene causes
par,
condition. What is the condition? Condition here it means medical issue, problem, disease, kind of syndrome. All right? And syndrome is a group of kind of symptoms. And it is due to, what is it due to? It is
you
due
too?
to, yeah, due to means, we did it right before, owing to
Because
means,
of
yeah, because of this rare, not common. Rare, what is a rare? Not common condition. What is a common condition? Not common, rare condition. What is a Lerron syndrome? Condition that he is so small. So this one is, what is it? This is a symptom. And here, so small. How small? 115 centimeters tall. So size matters. Okay, this paragraph, what is this paragraph about?
Nicholas's like the no, like I can't know the word.
What is Laron syndrome?
Yeah,
Okay? Yeah. So what is the people who this one is about who? Nicholas. Yes? So
yeah.
he is very what? He's
Small.
very small. And why? Because of the what? Laron
Uh,
syndrome.
the
Oh
gene
yeah.
Lara syndrome.
Yeah. Why do you have or why does it have a Laron syndrome? One single gene. All right? And smaller than because
Yeah,
of a single gene. So what is a one gene?
yeah,
Yeah, a single gene causes this syndrome. That's why he is smaller than
yeah.
other people. All right?
So
So this
I know
paragraph is about, very good. So this paragraph is mostly about who? Nicholas.
Nicholas.
Yeah. And here, Nicholas with a what?
Like the small thing.
Yeah, what is that? With a special, what is it? With a special gene. So he has what? What is that?
And
Laron what? Syndrome. Okay? Laron syndrome. So what is the key details? So it means very, what is it? Small. Okay. Got it?
got it.
Yeah. Size matter. I'm going to erase it all. Okay, boom. Size matters. Means the size is very what? Small. Oh, I want to have the whole paragraph together, but I have no choice but this. Okay, what if I can make it smaller? Oh, okay. Here. Now, Nicholas is one of Ecuador's 11 people. Oh, it doesn't match. Okay, Nicholas is one of Ecuador's Laran people, descendants of Europeans. What does it mean, descendants?
Uh, the like
D,
what was it?
what does it mean, D? Down.
Yeah.
Okay, D is generations, what is it? Down, down, down. So you will, the descendants means opposites of great great parents. So descendants means young. It means what is it? Great great children. It means what is it? Offspring. Write it. Okay, here offspring means what descendants of what Europeans who traveled, who migrated to Ecuador in the 16th century. Ecuador? You know where the Ecuador is?
Is it Spain?
Ecuador. Huh?
Is it Spain?
No.
Yeah,
Ecuador.
South America.
Very good. South America. So, people from, in Europe, they moved, they traveled, they migrated to where? South America. When? 16th century. Many people moved to what? North America and South America from Europe. You know, they found a new land from Columbus. All right. And here, and also, from Spain or from where? England, okay, from Portugal. And here, but this person is a European. And here, these travelers, it means these Europeans carried a gene. What is a special gene? A single gene, which is what? People are small. That sometimes causes short, what is a stature? What is a stature here? Short stature. What is a short stature?
Um,
You can
um,
guess the meaning. You already got the clue. Short stature. What is a short stature? So Nicholas, what about his size? Remember? He's a small.
he's very small.
Yeah, small means the short what?
Body?
Body, but good. Close. But stature means what is it? Write it. So what is his what is it? Height, stature. Remember? 115 centimeters tall. Got it? All right. And the same genetic, what is a genetic mutation? The same genetic mutation has been discovered, found uncovered in other places where these Europeans relocated. So the gene is from where? Europe. People in Europe. All right. They moved to where? Ecuador. They moved to other places, but they carried the genes. So the descendants had had the gene. So some people they are very short, like who? Nico.
Nicholas.
Okay? And so because of the genetic mutation. What is a mutation? What is a mutation?
Mutation.
Maybe you
Um,
know that this one is, I do not know about the Pokemon. Pokemon or Pokemon?
yeah,
And the
that's Pokemon.
mutation. What is a mutation? Means, what is it? Here, it's kind of a change. All right, mutation. It's a kind of a strange, what is a change? Does it make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah, mutation. Same mutation has been discovered, found out in other discovered in places where these Europeans relocated. What does it mean relocated? Re-
located again, like replaced.
yeah, it means, they changed the location, located again. It means they moved. It means they traveled. It means they migrated. Do you know what
Yeah,
are migrated? And so relocated means, what is a relocated?
located
Move.
again.
Yeah. How could they locate again? They had to move. And in Ecuador, the Laron people settled, means started to live in small towns and villages scattered. What is a scattered?
Or
Means,
like it's scattered by pieces.
yeah, it means spread out. Scattered means spread out. Across the countryside means rural area,
Yeah,
not the city, not urban area. Because of lack of roads means what is a lack? Means what is a lack? Absence, not having. Absence means not having.
having.
Roads and phones and electricity. The area, which area? countryside. Remained isolated. What does it mean remained? It means stayed.
Kept.
Yeah, stayed. Isolated. What does it mean isolated?
Alone.
We did it alone. It means separate.
Rated.
Yeah, separated. Until 1980s. So over the centuries, what does it mean cent? We did it. Cent means what is it? 100. So 100 years. Hundreds means many, more than hundreds. And centuries, 100 year, hundreds. The genetic mutation. What is a genetic mutation? It means a genetic change. Has passed down through the generations. Means like a distant.
And
Generations means here what
dissension.
is descendants. Where are the descendants? We did it here. Descendants. Okay, so you
Okay.
can, what is it? Say, paraphrase, pass down means, what is it? It is, what is more difficult here? What is passed down? You can say, what is it? Inherited.
Hence.
Write it, inherited, passed down. So which one's passed down? What is the passed down? Gene. Okay, so what is this paragraph about? What is this one?
Mm,
So, this paragraph is about the group of people. Okay? So the group of people have what? They have what? Gene. What kind of a gene? So that is what is mutated, genetic mutation, right? So
Yeah.
this one is about a group. What is genetic? What is it? Isolation or, group with the same gene. What is this one about? A group. With the same what? Gene. Okay? So it has a kind of a, what is it? So what is the same gene? It's like a genetic mutation. In where? In what country? What country is
Um.
it? Where? Ecuador?
Door.
Yeah, Ecuador. All right. And the gene is from where? Europe too. All right. So we can learn about what is the genes. And then also, the people, they traveled to different countries. They get isolated and then they lived separately and then they had a gene. They share the same gene. All right. And now, G. In an interview, little bird. Who is a little bird? It's a nickname.
The like Napoli.
Little bird. We did the little bird here. Which one? Pazarito. Pazarito. Little bird in Spain. Pazarito here. And in an interview, little bird and some friends. Some friends all with what is it? They have a Laren syndrome. Means they are all what? Short. Okay? They have what is a short stature. Means a short what?
That's true.
Yeah, short what is a height. And in a view, what is it? They talked about their lives. So what are their lives like? Interesting. Let's read on. Victor Rivera, now 23. So what about Nicholas who was 17? And now another person who has Lerner syndrome is, what is it, Victor. Victor Rivera, now 23, was the subject of a famous photograph. What is the subject here? What is the subject of a famous photograph? Means the person in the photograph. So what is the subject here? So that is, what is it called, is a kind of a focus. It means the person here in this context. All right? And here is the, what is it, for person in the photo. Focus means, write it. Another focus means, what is this? Person. In the famous photograph, shown at many, what is it? Scientific meetings, taken when he was 4. He was so small that the ear of corn. Do you know ear of corn? It's like a, ear of corn. One piece of corn, the corn. And was what is the cone? He was holding was slightly larger than his arm. His arm was so small. So which one was, what is it? Taller? Which one is bigger? A ear of corn. All right. And here it means like a one corn. And here he was so small. And then, the people, they took a picture of him since he was 4. Why? Because he was so small. And here, and slightly. What does it mean slightly here?
Slightly,
Slightly means,
a little bit.
yeah, very good. And Louis, another person is, what is it? Okay, here, let's see. The person was Nicholas, and second one was the Victor Rivera, and another person is Luis Sanchez, an elder among the group. Elder means he's older than them. Nicholas was 17, and Victor Rivera was, what is it, 23. He's 23, but another person, Luis, is older than them. Among the group, and laughed along with his, what is the friends, when someone asked if they knew the latest scientific reports explains about says about their condition. So what is the latest? What does it mean latest here? What does it mean latest here?
Latest,
Most, what is it? Recent, newest. And reports says about their condition. We are laughing, he explained. We are laughing. Why? We know we are immune to cancer and diabetes. What does it mean immune here? We are immune
immune. It's like
means,
you can protect it.
yeah, very good. Protected. So you know that, okay, immune is very important. What about you? Did you get a COVID-19?
Yeah, I got COVID-19 3 times.
Jefferson, you got 3 times. Oh my goodness. So it means you were not immune to, what is it?
COVID-19.
Yeah, COVID-19. But me, you know that, what about Rio and then Gia? Did you know?
COVID
Oh, you got it. And what about Gia? You too?
once.
Once, but you know that Mr. Paul and I, we didn't get COVID.
Mm.
Very interesting, right?
Yeah.
You know that the vaccine worked so well for me. When I got the vaccine, I was kind of a very, very, what is it? Not the 660, but it was like a, what is it, flu. But I think, that the vaccine worked so well. And then I was immune to where? To what? COVID. Okay. But people here with what? What syndrome? Lerner syndrome are immune to cancer and diabetes. Means they are protected from cancer and diabetes. Okay. You know that what is a cancer is a type of disease and diabetes is a disease. What kind of a disease is a diabetes? Here. Where's
Like
diabetes?
if you eat too much sugary food,
Uh-huh. So it is the blood. What is the sugar? Sugar disease. Okay, Gia, do you remember last night? Who did not know the meaning of disease? Do you know the boy, small boy James? Remember?
Yes.
He was a
Yes.
fourth grade, but he did not know disease. So he highlighted disease, disease, disease. So you know that he's in only fourth grade. So he need to know all the words. And then, when he read this one, when he reaches what? When he becomes sixth grade, and it's going to be easier. See, things are all what is related, and diabetes. Indeed. What does it mean? Indeed. Truly, he is, what is it? Partly right. So what is it? Indeed. Indeed means, what is it? Truly. Okay, what does mean partly? Means not 100%. Partly means, what is it? Somewhat. Somewhat right. Okay? Because of that gene, what is that? The single gene. And you know that they are immune. They are immune to certain, what is it? Some diseases, which is a good thing. That's why they can live long. Does it make sense? Yeah, pretty much. Okay, so what is this paragraph about? G. So this one is about living. Okay, so living with what syndrome? Living with what syndrome? Everybody? Lerone what?
syndrome,
Syndrome. So which is a good thing or bad thing?
with bad thing,
Good thing. So they have what kind of, what is it, things? They have, what is it?
immune,
What is it, benefits? So what do they have? They have immune benefits. Immune. Write it. Benefits.
so
What are the benefits? Means good things. What are the good things? They are protected from the cancer and diabetes. And now H. Researchers. Who are the researchers? Means scientists have found, means discovered that people with Lerner syndrome. Again, what syndrome? Lerner syndrome. Have a good chance. It means benefit of living a long life. So what is this passage about? Living a long
benefit,
life.
long life,
Yeah. A 2006 study revealed, again, what does it mean revealed?
uncovered to show
Yeah, show that no one from a group of people with the Lerner syndrome developed, means had diabetes, no diabetes, and only one person developed cancer. All right? And okay, so what do you think? It is already 10:08. So,
really?
I thought, that we can finish this paragraph H. Why not? All right.
Sure,
Yeah, we can read only 5 more lines.
yeah,
Okay. here. So, and let's move. I'm going to erase it all. Boom. And here, he is what? This man is 106 years old. Okay? And where? Moloccio, Italy. So he has a genes that have a what? Taste of what? Different taste. He likes the, what is it, bitter food, bitter taste. And more welderlies. Welderlies are joining gym cell as a way to keep fit, means keeps, what to stay healthy. And here, go. And developed cancer, had cancer. What does it mean developed here? Had. And means had. And now, in a control group, what does it mean control group? It means, what is it? Comparison means controlled group. People without Lara syndromes, 5%, what is it? The people, they did not have a Lara syndrome. They did not have. 5% developed diabetes and 20% died of cancer. Means they had more, what is it, disease than the people with what? Lara syndrome. The same gene that causes a short, what is a stature? What is a stature? We did it. What is a stature? Short what? Height. May also protect the people with what? Lara syndrome from disease. Okay, the same gene that causes a short, what is it, stature, may also, also protect the people with the Lara syndrome from disease. Okay, here, so
Okay.
what is this paragraph about? It is about scientific evidence. Scientific of what is scientific evidence of disease? What is it? Resistance. All right. And what is it? This is protected from. These genes are protected from what? Disease. Right? They are protected. Okay. Disease. Protected from what? Disease.
Disease.
Yeah, this is one more. It is a scientific evidence. They have scientific evidence too. All right. I think we'd better stop recording here. I'm going to do the rest of the passage alone as a B part. Okay. So we did
Okay.
quite a lot. All right. I
Yeah.
hope this lesson helped you understand the passage, and then you can do better in Mrs. Sarah's class and Mr. Paul's class. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Please try to, what is it? Understand and then work on vocabulary more. It's very, very essential. You need to have a strong vocabulary. All right? All right. Okay, everybody say thank you. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.